All right, folks, let's dive into the world of commercial air conditioning. Whether you're setting up a new office or upgrading your current setup, choosing between packaged and split AC systems can make a world of difference. So, what's the scoop? First up, packaged systems. These bad boys have everything you need: the compressor, condenser, and evaporator, all packed into a single unit. Typically, they're installed on rooftops or just outside your building. This means easier installation and more interior space for you, but keep in mind they're more exposed to the elements, which could shorten their lifespan. Now, split systems. These are like the dynamic duo of ACs. You've got an outdoor unit with the compressor and condenser, and an indoor unit with the evaporator. This setup is super flexible and can be tailored to fit your building's layout. Plus, split systems are often quieter and more energy efficient, but they do require a bit more effort to install. Speaking of energy efficiency, let's talk CO2 ratings. The higher the CO2, the more efficient your system is. Split systems generally take the cake here, often coming with higher ratings. This means lower operational costs over time. Another factor, refrigerant type. Modern systems might use R32 refrigerant, which is not only more energy efficient, but also better for the environment. Win-win, right? Don't forget about cooling capacity, measured in BTUs. 1 ton of cooling equals 12,000 BTUs per hour. Make sure to accurately assess your space to get the right capacity. And of course, compliance with standards is crucial. ASHRAE, the American Society of Heating, Refrigerating and Air Conditioning Engineers, provides guidelines to ensure your HVAC system is both efficient and safe. Keep an eye on standards like ASHRAE 90.1 for commercial buildings. So what's the bottom line? Packaged systems are compact and easier to install, but may wear out quicker due to exposure. Split systems offer better efficiency and flexibility, but can be trickier to set up initially. Ultimately, it boils down to your specific needs and consulting with HVAC pros. By weighing factors like BTU capacity, CO2 ratings, refrigerant type, and installation requirements, you'll be well on your way to making an informed decision. Thanks for tuning in, and good luck with your AC choice.